Hello friends, welcome to another training video. In this lesson we are going to see some handy settings in our org if you work as a Salesforce admin. So we have default landing page, enhance profile, and enable login and user. There is a and user license, available user license. So let's go to our org. The first thing is default landing setting. For this you need to go to your page settings and my personal information and go to display layout, customize my page. If you come here you can see normal by default it is it's not when you are not able to see here. So if you log in and log out, and if you are working as a system admin, you want, for example, your setup menu to be active all the time by default, you can click this, and then what happens when you log out and you log in, then it will direct you to setup page. So you don't need to click every time to go to setup. By default, just save the time. If I log out and then log in, now it took me to setup. The next thing is enhance profile. It's also very handy. If you go to profiles, and click one of them. This is already enhanced profile, but sometimes if you don't make enhanced profile, you go to user management setting, as you can see I already activated enhanced profile list view. If I disable this, then you will see the difference which way you want to work. We can go back to profiles now. It is giving error. I've been waiting for some time to pass. It's giving error. Now the next, so in this, if you go to profiles, then it will show us like all the object in that. So which way you want to work is up to you. Maybe to refresh this one and then go to users and then click this. This is now enhanced profile. So user settings management. So you need to disable enhance profile user interface. So if you click this, now maybe to enable this one. Now I can go to profiles. Refresh the page. Now we can click profiles and see how it looks like. Refresh our page. User, profiles, and chatter free user. As you can see, now it is not enhanced. So this is an example. If you want to see the enhance, then click this option. It will be updated. The next topic is we are going to see enable login users. Sometimes if as I use system manager, if you want to, for example, as you can see, as a system manager administrator, I can directly click this one, then I can enter this person account. Maybe I don't remember his, so it takes time. For admin, system admin, you can just activate this option of login. I will show you. Log out as a Saleh, and then if you write here login access policy, login, as you can see, administrator can log in as any user. If you enable this one, that login button will go. So if you enable this, then you will be able to do that too. Now it is enabled. If you disable this one, then you will let's go to users. You will not be able to see this button, so it is really handy sometimes. The other part is email deliverability. This option access level, like access to send email, all email service, no access, system email only, all email. This is also another handy stuff. And the last thing is user license. If you want to see how many active users are in our org, you go to add multiple users, and then number of available X, and this one Salesforce platform user license. So how many available users are there, you can come to user and then add multiple users. So here you can see. Thank you very much. I hope you have learned something new.